Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn on auto light or dark mode on iPhone. So first, what we want to do is just simply open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down till you see display and brightness. Just tap on that. Once you're here, as you can see, I'm currently on dark mode, and just tap on automatic right here just below that. As you can see, it will automatically change, depends on what you put here on the options section, and appearance schedule. So you can set it to sunset to sunrise, or you could have it custom scheduled. As you can see, it can be light mode on 7 a.m. up to 10 p.m. and once it sets to 10 p.m. it will just automatically set to dark mode. But you can just simply tap on sunset to sunrise so that if it's sunset or daytime, it will be on light mode. At sunrise or night, it will just set to dark. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.